Welcome to Trading Cars, your go-to destination for everything automotive from classic designs to futuristic innovations. In today's video, we explore one of the most exciting and luxurious releases in the RV world, the 2026 Volkswagen Motorhome. This is not just a motorhome, it is essentially a luxury hotel on wheels, blending timeless German engineering with high-end comfort and cutting-edge technology. From the outside, the 2026 Volkswagen Motorhome presents a sleek and modern aesthetic, showcasing a refined aerodynamic body, full LED matrix lighting, and an extended panoramic windshield. It combines Volkswagen's iconic design language with the bold presence of a full-sized RV, making it equally suitable for city cruising and countryside adventures. The aluminum frame construction helps keep the weight optimized without sacrificing structural integrity or durability. As you step inside, the sense of premium comfort is immediate. The interior is a seamless blend of luxury materials such as walnut trim, suede panels, and ambient LED lighting that adjusts to mood or time of day. The motorhome offers a fully automated slide-out section, significantly increasing the living space with the push of a button. The floor plan includes a full-size master bedroom with a smart memory foam bed, a private luxury bathroom with rainfall shower, and a modular kitchen equipped with induction cooktops, a smart refrigerator, and self-cleaning surfaces. The living area features a 65-inch OLED TV with satellite connectivity, a Bang & Olufsen surround sound system, and a voice-controlled entertainment suite. A built-in work and leisure desk transforms into a digital command center with 5G internet, cloud syncing, and app-controlled lighting and climate features. The motorhome is also equipped with a solar-paneled roof and a lithium-ion battery system that ensures off-grid capability for extended trips. When it comes to driving, the 2026 Volkswagen Motorhome offers a hybrid powertrain that combines electric torque with fuel efficiency, resulting in smoother rides and lower emissions. Adaptive cruise control, AI-assisted lane keeping, automated parking, and a 360-degree camera system ensure safety and ease even for novice RV drivers. Advanced air suspension provides exceptional ride comfort, adapting to different road conditions automatically. For travelers who expect more than just transportation and demand a high-end lifestyle experience on the move, the 2026 Volkswagen Motorhome delivers beyond expectations. Whether it's a weekend getaway or a long-term journey, this vehicle redefines freedom and sophistication in travel. Don't forget to subscribe to Trading Cars for more detailed reviews and future updates on next-generation motorhomes and luxury vehicles.